Then the next example is of, that is example number 2. Factorize x square minus 2x whole square minus 11 into x square minus 2x plus 24. So here we have to factorize x square minus 2x whole square minus 11 into x square minus 2x plus 24. Solution starts now. So here, as per problem, so we have to factorize the given polynomial as x square plus 2x, that is whole square, minus 11 into x square plus 2x plus 24. So in this, in the first term, that is of x square plus 2x, there is also x square plus 2x in the second term. So I want to assume, so here let this x square plus 2x as a, then the further step will be of, so instead x square plus 2x within the bracket I am going to assume it as a. So replacing x square plus 2x by means of a here, so it is of square, so here a square minus 11 into, so x square plus 2x we have assumed it as a, then now plus 24 written as it is. So we have replaced this bracket by means of a, then now bracket is by means of a, that is a square minus 11 into the bracket x square plus 2x as a, then now plus 24. By cross method, to factorize this a square minus 11a plus 24 by our cross method, so a square can be splitted as a into a. So a into a, so a into a is nothing but a square. So here I have to split 24. So here 24 can be splitted as 12 12s are, so 12 2s are is of 24, 6 4s is also of 24, then now 8 3s is also of 24. But to choose the correct one, so here when we add up these two, 12 plus 2 is of 14, but we must get 11, either by subtracting we must get 11. So by subtracting 12 minus 2 is of 10, so it is not the 11. So here first choosing is wrong. Then now here 6 plus 4 is of 10, so we must get 11. 6 minus 4 is of 2, so here it is of 11. So here second option is also wrong. So here by adding up these two, 8 plus 3 is of 11. So here we have got it 11. So we can write it as 8 and 3. So here 8 3s is the right one. So we can choose it as 8 3s as 24. Then now by cross multiplying, 8 into a is of 8a, 3 into a is of 3a. Since this is the cross method, we have to multiply in the cross manner. 3 into a is of 3a, 8 into a is of 8a. To assess the sign of 8a and as well as 3a, we have to see the middle term. Middle term is of 11a with negative sign. So 11a with negative, so greater one be attached first of all with negative. To assess the sign of the second one, so here if I assess the sign of the second one as positive, minus into plus will be minus, we have to subtract. 8 minus 3 will be of 5, but it is not 5. So here this must be of negative instead of positive. So minus of minus will be of plus. So let us add up. 8 plus 3 is of 11a. Then now to assess the sign here among 3 and 8, 8 is greater, its sign is of 8 minus. So here 11a must be assessed as minus. So here in this manner I got minus 11a, which is the middle term. So 8a must be assessed as negative. So here a into 8 is of 8a, must be assessed as negative. 3a must be of negative sign, a into 3 is of 3a, must be of negative sign. So here therefore the factors can be written as, so we can write the factors directly in a horizontal manner. A minus 8 is the first factor, that equals to a minus 8 as the first factor, and the next factor is of a minus 3. So here we got these as the factors by for a square minus 11a plus 24. So here a square minus 11a plus 24, so can be written as the factors of a minus a into a minus 3. So these are the two factors of this expression. Then now these two factors can be, that equals to, or that implies, then now replacing a, we assumed a as x square plus 2x. So now a is again replaced now by means of x square plus 2x. A value is of x square plus 2x minus 8 bracket close into a value is of again x square plus 2x minus 3. So now let us factorize these two separately. So here I am going to factorize x square plus 2x minus 8 separately and x square plus 2x minus 3 separately. Then now factors will be of so now x square plus 2x minus 8 and x square plus 2x minus 3. So now factors to factorize further, now let us write the next logical step as, so here x square plus 2x minus 8, so that implies x square plus 2x minus 8 as the first factor, x square plus 2x minus 8 as the first factor. And the next one, x square plus 2x minus 3. So here x square plus 2x minus 3. So I want to find out the factors by cross method at a time. So here cross method for this first polynomial and cross method for the second one. X square can be split as x into x. X into x is nothing but x square. 8 can be split as, so here 8 can be split as 8 ones is of 8 and 4 twos is also of 8. So here when we add up these two, 8 plus 1 is of 9, but it is not the 9. So here when we subtract, 8 minus 1 is of 7, is also not the 7. So here this option is wrong now. So now let us go for the second one. By adding up, 4 plus 2 is of 6 is wrong. So we must get middle term. So 4 minus 2 is of 2. So we got it 2. So we can choose 4 and 2. So here therefore we have to choose, I say, only 4 and 2 instead 8 and 1. So here I have chosen 8 as 4 twos are. Similarly here x square can be split as x into x. X into x is nothing but x square. 3 can be written as 3 ones are 3. There is none other option. So here only 3 can be split as 3 into 1. So here by adding we will get as 3 plus 1 as 4. By subtracting 3 minus 1 is 2, which is nothing but the middle term. So 3 and 1 is the correct one. Correct way of choosing the factors. Then now, so by cross multiplying, 2 into x is nothing but 2x. Then 4 into x is nothing but 4x. By cross multiplying, 2 into x is 2x, 4 into x is 4x. So here we have to get the middle term plus 2x. Middle term 2x is of positive. So assess the greater ones as positive. To assess the sign of this 2x, we must write it as negative. So because plus into minus is of minus, let us subtract. So here when we subtract, greater minus least, that is 4 minus 2 is of 2x. So here greater one is of positive, so we will get the positive sign here. So in this manner I got plus 2x. So here 2x must be of negative and 4x must be of positive. X into 4, 4x must be of positive. We have to cross multiply and we have to assess the sign. 4x, x into 4, 4x is of positive. Then now 2x, x into 2 is of 2x, 2x must be of negative. Whereas here x into 1 is of 1x, then now 3 into x is of 3x. To assess the sign here, we must get plus 2x. So here 3x is of positive. So here we need plus 2x, greater one must be attached as plus sign. Then now here to assess the sign of negative, so assess the sign of 1x. So here we need plus 2x. So if I assess here plus sign, plus of plus will be plus, 3 plus 1 will be 4, but we need plus 2. So here it must be of negative then. Then now that equals to plus of minus is minus, we have to subtract 3 minus 1 is of 2x. So among these two, 3 and 1, 3 is greater, the sign is of positive, therefore plus will be assessed here. So here plus 2x is the middle term. Then now cross multiply 3x, so is of positive, x into 3 is of 3x, is of 3x is of positive. cross multiply here, 1 into x is of 1x, 1x is of negative, assess the sign here. Then now while writing the factors, so factors are of, so that implies first factor horizontally we must write the factors. First factor is of x plus 4 and into second factor is of x minus 2, third factor will be of x plus 3 and fourth factor will be of x minus 1. So in this manner we got, so here hence x square minus 2x whole square minus 11 into x square minus 2x plus 24 is equals to, the factors are of, one is x plus 4, the second factor is of x minus 2, the third factor is of x plus 3 and the fourth factor is of x minus 1. So here in this elaboration, expansion, x square whole square, x to the power of 2 to the will be 4. So this is a fourth degree expression, fourth degree polynomial. We will get, since it is fourth degree, we will get 4 factors, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The factors in this manner we have factorized, that is x square minus 2x whole square minus 11 into x square minus 2x, then now plus 24 as x plus 4 into x minus 2 into x plus 3 into x minus 1 as its factors.